My name is Basia Goszczynska, and I'm building Overflow, which is a new large-scale interactive installation sculpture for Mohawk. I became like this artist that is known now for sustainability work and working in a sustainable way because of my own sort of ethics and my own desire to be as sustainable as possible in my own personal life, but also in my studio. Being invited to make this project for Mohawk was exciting for me because I've never worked with plastic bottles, and as a recycler in my own right on a very small scale in my artwork, it was exciting to partner with a company that is really taking recycling to the mass scale. The wave itself will be made out of salvaged plastic bottles, and then these flakes, which I actually sourced from the recycling facility in Georgia that Mohawk runs. So I wanted to show like the different stages that the plastic bottles actually have to go through to get to being carpet. It was only when I looked at what the company does and that history of them recycling the bottles that I was really like blown away by just the scale of that operation even, and anything I can do as an artist to draw attention to that and to support that effort, I'm happy to do it. Overflow is really bringing to attention two things. One is plastic pollution in the ocean specifically, and that as a growing problem that really needs some attention. And then also it's really celebrating everything that we are doing right. So with the recycling of these bottles into carpeting, and then making this waste product into something precious again. It's a good partnership in that I get to work with someone who's a leader in the field of recycling, and I get to support a company that's doing a lot of good. I think if we hope to leave the planet as a not just habitable place, but really gorgeous place for our grandchildren, then we really need to be a little bit more thoughtful about our waste. Then we'll get to a much better place.